Watch through to the end to find out how much this issue might cost you. If you own a 2018 or 2019 Ford F-150 and suddenly see that dreaded check engine light pop up on your dashboard, you're not alone. This warning can be alarming, but it's actually a common issue for these trucks. The check engine light can mean many things, but for F-150S with the 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, there's a specific culprit that's been causing headaches for owners everywhere. Many drivers report their trucks running rough, losing power, or even stalling. These symptoms often point to a problem with the exhaust pressure sensor, a small but critical part that helps your engine run efficiently. The exhaust pressure sensor monitors the pressure in your truck's exhaust system and sends data to the engine computer. If it fails, the computer can't adjust fuel and air properly, triggering error code P0471. Error code P0471 specifically means the sensor isn't reporting pressure changes correctly. This can lead to poor fuel economy, increased emissions, and even limp mode if ignored. That's why Ford released Technical Service Bulletin 19-2257. A TSB is an official document sent to dealerships explaining how to fix a known issue that's not a safety recall. The TSB tells technicians to check the exhaust pressure sensor and, if needed, replace it with an updated part, number JT4Z9J460A. This part usually costs between $70 and $100. Replacing the sensor is a straightforward job for most mechanics, and many owners with basic tools have done it themselves in about 15 minutes. If you ignore the problem, you might notice your truck running worse over time, burning more fuel, or even failing emissions tests. That's why it's important to address this issue promptly. Some owners have reported needing to replace the sensor more than once, especially over 20 to 40,000 miles. If you're experiencing repeated issues, it's worth discussing with your dealer. The 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine is known for its power and efficiency, but like any modern engine, it relies on sensors to keep everything running smoothly. Keeping these sensors in good shape is key to long-term reliability. If you've had this issue, let us know your experience in the comments. Sharing your story can help other F-150 owners facing the same problem. Found this video helpful? Hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and don't forget to comment with your F-150 experiences. Thanks for watching, and drive safe. To fix this issue, replacing the exhaust pressure sensor usually costs between $70 and $100 for the part. Labor may add a bit more if you have a mechanic do it, but many owners can complete the repair themselves in about 15 minutes.